This job is really physically demanding.
My shift constantly changes.
Sometimes I have to work overtime.
You really have to be on your toes.
Automotive manufacturing deals with some of the most complex menu items in the industry. So that's why the LOC is so important to flexible manufacturing in the plant. These centers help GM improve efficiency, which directly helps the bottom line. It's very, very important that we have skilled, flexible, and motivated employees to fill these jobs. This work may not be for everybody.
When I started at LOC, the hardest part was the whistle blowing at a certain time and actually starting your job as soon as the whistle blew. I can't be late at all because the line starts. As soon as the line starts, we're rolling, and if you're not here, the job can't be done.
There's a lot of bending, lifting, pushing. There's a lot of heavy parts.
It's critical to maintain your concentration when working at the LOC, even if you're working 10-hour days, 6 days a week. And like a production plant, overtime, night shifts, weekends are expected of all our employees if necessary.
The environment here working for LOC is very fast-paced. You have to be aware of your surroundings due to the mobile equipment and the amount of machinery moving. At the end of the day, I'm exhausted from a long day of work.
When I am done and I get home, I'm exhausted. I mean, between, like I said, pushing, pulling, you're lifting, you're bending, you're doing a lot here.
They must be able to understand inventory management and follow directions.
If we don't sequence the thousands of parts in the right order, we can't shut down the production line.
GM is investing in these facilities to improve our cost and quality metrics and create the world's best vehicles. We will accept nothing less. And we are entrusting each of our team members with responsibility and accountability.
Part number 1257-8925, are those OVNs out of there? At GM Customer Care and After Sales, we are servicing all of our customers throughout the North American and domestic and international car parts through the entire warehouse. We provide excellent service by responsiveness, quality, and cost. We have metrics in all 5 areas, which is safety, people, quality, responsiveness, and cost. We should exceed all goals every day. The kind of employee we are looking for is somebody who is driven, flexible, and not afraid to do multitasks all day.
And your hours and days may vary depending on the workload you have inside the plant. So you come in thinking you're just gonna work a 3 to 11, or on our shift, scheduled from 3 to 11, you're more than likely gonna come in and work from 3 to 1. Most days, and particularly Saturdays, you're gonna come in from 3 to 11 again and work another 8-hour shift.
The hardest thing about working here at GM when I started was working 10-hour days for months straight without an 8-hour shift in sight. You're always lifting, always moving, always picking parts. Sometimes the parts are heavy. The parts in certain areas of the plant can get up to be 50 pounds.
The second you punch in when you walk into a facility for GM CCA, you must be focused. You must be willing to focus 100% of the time. At all the facilities, there is a vary of 100 and 120 part numbers versus Pontiac, one of the bigger facilities with 10,000 part numbers. You are going to match A to A, B to B. It's got to be perfect. If we fail with that, we are going to send the wrong part to your dealership.
You're expected to keep up your line count, which is how many parts you pick per hour, and you are also expected not to make very many mistakes.
To get this job, honestly, the first thing you have to do is be able to listen, take orders for one. Listen to your teammates, listen to the people you work with, listen to your supervisors. You have to be able to adjust at the drop of a hat, if they tell you to do one thing and do another job. The reach truck is actually the hardest truck in here to drive. It takes time to learn it, so you have to be very patient. You have to be taken serious. You have to concentrate when you're learning it. Because if you don't, you can hurt yourself, you can hurt somebody around you, you can mess up the parts.
A typical day on one shift, we may run 3 or 4 different parts, and they could be ranged from a body side to a roof to an inner panel. So the demands of that change as the product changes. So you really get a good scope of what the products that we're making and how we're trying to make them special for every part, for every car.
personally wanted to be a part of the production team because like you see the cars riding down the road and you be able to say that, hey, I possibly built that truck.
We're looking for somebody that's ready to come in and do some hard work, and it is a demanding job.
They expect me to be able to do my job at a timely fashion, to know where I'm at, and to work safe, to know exactly what I'm looking at to make sure that I get out a good product.
When I first started here at GM, the hardest adjustment was the hours. When you first came in here, worked on second shift for about 5 years. And with 4 kids, it's kind of hard to do activities with the children.
Our schedules are constantly changing. As customers buy more of our vehicles, the assembly plants change their schedule, which means we have to react to that.
The hardest adjustment for me would be having to be flexible, very flexible with the 6 days that we work. It's mandatory. You know, you have to work the 6 days. It's demanding, you know, you don't have a certain job, you don't have a low seniority, so you have to move around shift per shift.
You have to prepare yourself for the long hours, the repetitious work, being on your feet all day. So you have to be mentally prepared to come into this job.
You do a lot of lifting. You can have parts that are less than 2 pounds and you can have parts that are up to 15 pounds. There's a lot of reaching. There's a lot of stations that are above your head, below your knees, but you're required to fit the job in the time frame they give you.
If this excites you, we would love to have you on our team.